5 araw sa Italy papuntang Paris. Kayang-kaya mga Frenny. Pangalawang araw na nga namin mga Frenny dito sa Rome ng Italy. At ito po ang Colosseum, Forum, and Palatine Hill. Na kapag sinabi mong Rome, kailangan mapuntahan mo talaga ito. Dahil ito po ang pinakasikat na pinupuntahan ng mga turista. At syempre, Instagrammable. At kahit saan ka pumunta dito sa park na to, very historical and marami pa kayong malalaman tungkol dito. Lalo na kung meron kayong tour guide. Siyempre, kailangan dito, pag pumunta kayo dito, dadaan muna kayo sa train station. Kagaya nito, nasa train station po kami. Ayan, yung aking mga kasama. Nagsha-shoutout para sa inyo at kung saan sulok man ng mundo. Nandito nga po kami sa terminal ng Termini dahil pupuntahan nga po namin ang aming Colosseum. At habang nandito kami ay nakita namin Starbucks, syempre nag-selfie-selfie muna kami dyan. And makikita ninyo na halos kapareho ng mall ang kanilang terminal, kaya maganda talaga ang kanilang train station. Kung nandito naman kayo mga friend, bumaba lang po kayo dyan, may escalator po dyan, malalaman yun. Syempre hindi kami papayag na hindi namin matikman itong Roadhouse kung saan kilala po itong steakhouse. Ito po ang steak nila, nasa 18 euro lang. Kung may chips ka na, may soft drinks ka pa. So, bahala na kayo mag-multiply dyan. Ay ate, ikaw ay. At ito po aming mayora. Ito pa ang pangalawang gobernador at ito po yung councilor.
Ito yung humahawak, ano siya?
Ako po yung wala lang. Habang nakasakay nga kami sa taxi dahil taxi na lang po ang aming pinili para makarating kami ng mas maaga doon sa aming pupuntahan sa Colosseum. Ayan, nakipagkulitan muna ako sa aking mga kasama para hindi naman masyadong boring, di ba? O, kulitan-kulitan lang. And then habang nasa biyahe nga kami, marami kayong matatanaw na iba-ibang klaseng store at sobrang ma-amaze kayo. Masasabi mo na lang sana, syempre, dahil nga nasa ibang bansa tayo, makikita din natin kung anong klaseng structure meron sila. Ayan, nalapit na kami. So, ang binayaran lang namin dyan ay nasa 11 euro lang. So, napakamura lang ng taxi nila. Kung manggagaling po kayo sa terminal ng Termini. Ito na talaga, guys!
That's exciting!
Now, if you look into this direction, you can see better the original side of the Colosseum. It was made by an important emperor. The name was Vespasian. I'm sorry about this. Every day is the same.
Yeah.
What's the name? Sorry? Simona. Colosseum. I'm sorry, the name Vespasian. Colosseum. And now, at the end of those stairs, there's the entrance for in front of this side. There's the entrance for the Colosseum. Pay attention on those stairs, please.
Mag-ingat po tayo mga friendly pag nandito po tayo sa public area dahil uso din po dito ang dukot. Yes po, marami daw po dito. Marami na pong nag-warning sa amin kaya lagi pong nakalagay sa harap ang inyong bag. Doon nga kami bumaba sa left side ng harap ng Colosseum at matatanaw nyo po itong entrance na to. Nasa pinakababa na po kami and then this is it. Ito na talaga. Wow! Kung dating nakikita mo lang sa picture, eto na, nakatayo na sa harap namin. O diba? Kaya i-manifest mo na rin mga friendly kung gusto mo rin makarating dito. Siguradong sigurado akong mararating mo rin ito, gaya ng narating namin.
The city of Roma was famous for the big Roman Empire. In these days, after Christ, the city of Rome conquered the whole known world. Famous temple of Venus, yes, the goddess of the beauty for the ancient Romans. And on the side, where now you can see those cypress trees, those are colossal statue about the god of sun. This is the entrance for the Roman Forum. Yes. On the right side, in the middle of this street, there is a white tent, and this is the entrance for the Roman Forum. Okay? Remember this entrance. Behind this single arch at the entrance, this is the single arch of Titus. There is the Roman Forum, so the big space for the meeting.
Natapos na ang tour guide namin ng pagpapaliwanag sa labas. So, dumaan kami dito sa entrance mismo ng Colosseum. Dadaan tayo sa X-ray. So, make sure na wala po kayong dalang matutulis na bagay. So, itong aming tour guide, si Simona, ang kanyang pangalan, ay sobra akong na-amaze kung paano niya ipinaliwanag lahat. So, mas maganda, advance po kayo magpabook ng ticket para iwas hassle po. So, kung sa may mga gusto po dito, magpabook ng ticket, let me know po, matutulungan ko po kayo. Make sure lang po na may visa na po kayo at itinerary na po kayo papunta or boarding pass para sure po tayo dyan.
But into the same place, at the end of this gallery, the second level, you can see better the real base for this balcony. It was used by the emperor, so the emperor used these big art galleries on your right. You can see also some remains of homes. Oh yes.
Before, when there is no earthquake, this is like this.
Yes, perfect. So,
Is that?
iron staples.
Iron
some
staples.
of those if you look on the top of this big arch, you can see some iron staples.
Iron
If
stake.
you look, you can see the first block of marble
Yeah.
and the second, okay?
Yeah.
On this side.
You have
So
a
they
picture
were
of that? The original one?
No, but on the second level there is a reconstruction about it.
This is the politician.
Yes.
Okay.
Those are the original stores, but they were renovated 20 years ago. Now,
Nandito na nga kami sa pangalawang palapag na tinatawag nilang politician area. Doon sa baba na pinanggalingan namin ay ang mga nakatira daw doon noon ay mga mayayamang angkan. Mayayaman lang po ang pwedeng tumira doon sa baba. Pag umabot naman po kayo sa pangalawang palapag na ito, para lang po ito sa mga may katungkulan sa gobyerno. So dito makikita nyo po iba-ibang klase ng historical ng Colosseum, mga nakasulat, mga nakadisplay, marami pong nakadisplay dyan na pwede nyo pong makuhanan, kagaya po ng ganito. So ayan, di ko na po binasa isa-isa yan. Ini-enjoy ko na lang ang moment na yan. Siyempre, masarap pa din makinig sa ating tour guide na mas higit na nakakaalam. Kaya I suggest sa mga pupunta dito sa Colosseum, make sure po na meron po kayong tour guide na naka-English para hindi po kayo mahirapan maintindihan. Kaya kailangan po talaga ng ticket pag nandito kayo.
These are the ruins?
yes.
These are the ruins also.
Oh, don't touch down.
I'm sorry, not for me, because for me you can touch all into this space. But on the big blocks of marbles, if you look, there is a name. Marcellus.
What is the meaning?
Why nga?
Marcellus is an Italian name for Marcello. It's only a name. It's famous there. In Italy, it's famous.
Isa nga ito sa matatanong ninyo mga friendly. Nasa pangalawang palapag pa rin kami neto. Pag nandito po tayo sa Italy, marami po talaga tayong lakad. So, sa mga may planong pumunta rito, make sure po, wear your shoes, yung malambot, yung talagang panlaban kahit saan na lakad. Para hindi po kayo mahirapan dito habang nag-iikot kayo sa Italy. Kasi marami po silang pasyalan na sunod-sunod po. Pwede nyo na pong puntahan. Wow! Nasa loob na tayo ng Colosseum, Sisi!
Hindi na tayo sa...
Shoutout! Shoutout sa lahat at paki-comment kung saan nakarating ito.
There is a small museum into the Colosseum. For me, one of the best places than just here. I'll show you. This is the first level of seats, okay? I'll show you the same reconstruction, okay? Now you can see the first level. It was this, okay? This is the level of the arena, and this is the stage, the level for this floor.
The animals,
yes. Imagine that the animals under this level, under the level of the arena, was built another space. Under this level was built the backstage. If you look, the backstage was built into 2 levels underground, and with some elevators, the animals from the backstage arrived on the arena. Into the backstage there were 28 elevators. They were used only by the small ladies. Okay, so don't worry because now we can arrive in the arena and you can see that the gallery that was built by the animals. It was fixed with 240 wooden posts, and so from this reconstruction, the Colosseum was similar to a modern stage with
Colosseum, giant amphitheater built in Rome under the Flavian emperors. Construction of the Colosseum was begun sometime between 70 and 72 CE during the reign of Vespasian. It is located just east of the Palatine Hill, on the grounds of what was Nero's Golden House.
the central gallery. Now, in the middle of those galleries, was used only by the animals, because it was the place for the elevators, if you remember, and for the animals. It is this.
Why they love animals more than the gladiators? Because gladiators is
The gladiators were
slaves.
all slaves.
Yeah,
so for the
slaves.
emperor, the gladiators was not an important man, but the animals for the emperor at a big cost. Because there was there was a large animal trade from
The artificial lake that was the centerpiece of that palace complex was drained, and the Colosseum was sited there. A decision that was as much symbolic as it was practical. Vespasian, whose path to the throne had relatively humble beginnings, chose to replace the tyrannical emperor's private lake with a public amphitheater that could host tens of thousands of Romans.
Okay guys! Wow! Dito nga mga friendly, marami din kayong mga souvenir na pwede kayong bumili dyan. Pero, syempre, sinabi sa amin ng tour guide na mas maganda kung sa labas tayo bibili. Mas mura at hindi pricey, no? Kasi pag nasa loob mismo ng ganito, mas mahal at syempre may mga tax na yan. Pero syempre, kung sobra naman ang iyong dala, why not coconut?
The Colosseum was built as part of an imperial effort to revitalize Rome after the tumultuous year of the 4 emperors, 69 CE. As with other amphitheaters, the Emperor Vespasian intended the Colosseum to be an entertainment venue, hosting gladiator fights, animal hunts, and even mock naval battles.
Abangan, part 3.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel for content purposes only.